By using this video as a medium, I'm Abrar Khan and want to share some important words with you. So मैं ये क्लियर करना चाह रहा हूँ कि आपके अतराफ़ में जितनी सारी चीज़ें हैं, जितने सारे मटेरियल्स हैं, वो सब आपको कुछ ना कुछ मैसेज देते हैं। तो ये बताना ज़रूरी है कि इंजीनियरिंग एक बस थियोरी नहीं है। आपके अतराफ़ में जितनी प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें हैं वो सब आपको कुछ ना कुछ बताती है, जो कि टेक्निकली आपको समझना है। तो मेनली सिविल इंजीनियरिंग में तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें प्रैक्टिकल है, तो इसी तरह मैं आपको वही प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ें बस अपने थियरी से कनेक्ट कर बताऊँगा एक प्रैक्टिकल इंजीनियरिंग की तरह। So hope you will enjoy all my videos. So subscribe to Civilian Waves and don't forget to press the bell icon. In this video I'm going to discuss about practical on compression, which is a chapter of soil mechanics. So here in this video I will show you that, for example, you can see the soil. This is in a like perfect state to show a practical on compression, because in the soil now maximum amount of air is present. So soil is combination of generally solids plus liquid, then plus air. So here it is completely dried, as you can see here, shrinkage cracks. So when we apply load on this, it compresses. So what is compression? Compression is nothing but the decrease in volume of soil due to like removal or due to release of air from the soil. So here you can see that when we apply load here, when we compress this soil, the air present in this, the volume of air present in this will go away. So here we can see compression of the soil. So mainly there are many methods for compression of soil, like where we construct roads. The compression is carried out by using the road rollers. So previously it is also like essay question. In this we have to write like methods of compression, like foot rollers are there, sheep rollers are there, many are there. So here just as I came here, so I thought to upload this video, so it will be clear the compression concept, compression of soil. So completely dried soil, air plus solids, when we applied load, the air present in this will be like escapes, then decrease in volume takes place. So this is compression of soil. Thank you. So with compression and according one more thing I want to share with you here. Actually this is an agricultural field. So the soil is put upside down here. It is wantedly we are keeping air here. Why? Because after sowing the seeds, it is necessary for seeds to get good amount of water. So the structure of soil is how means solids plus water plus air, but here it is completely solids plus air. So a huge amount of volume is left over in this soil particle if we take out any soil particle. So the soil is completely porous now, so it has more ability to absorb the water. So absorption of water, more of in good quantity it will absorb water, then it is good for the seed which is sown here. So this is the reason for agricultural purpose, after every crop we will completely plough the field. So this was the reason for keeping this land in this way. Thank you.